A 550 watt mixer grinder, and the company claims it can grind like a 1000 watt mixer. BLDC motor, intelligent and advanced technology. And I was thinking, is this marketing or science? So I did what anyone would do. I bought it, used it every single day for over 1 year. Daily chutneys, masalas, batter, milkshakes, chopping, everything. And today I'll tell you, does it actually match 1000 watts or not? And there are a few things where this mixer grinder gave me trouble. I'll show you that too. First, let's understand what is a BLDC motor and why are they claiming 550 watts equals 1000 watts. Now, BLDC technology has already changed the fan industry in the last 10 years. But in a mixer grinder, BLDC does something different. It's not just about saving electricity, it gives you variable speed control, a compact design, better safety features, a ventless body, and a longer motor life. These are benefits you don't get from a regular motor. A regular mixer uses a brush motor, an old design. It has carbon brushes that physically rub against the motor. That means friction, friction means heat, and heat means wasted energy. BLDC stands for brushless DC motor. No brushes, no friction. So when 550 watts go into a BLDC motor, most of that energy goes into actual grinding and not heat. In a regular motor, out of the 1000 watts, roughly 400 watts gets wasted as heat. Only 600 watts actually grinds. So technically, yes, a BLDC 550 watt motor's effective output is comparable to a 1000 watt brush motor. So comparable, yes. And in daily use, you won't feel the difference. Stay with me, I'll show you. So now, what difference did this actually make in daily use? Let's go to the kitchen. 1 year of daily use, over 300 sessions. To really put the 550 watt claim to test, I tried grinding turmeric in the 1.5 liter liquidizing jar. Let's see if it can handle it like a 1000 watt mixer. So look at this, turmeric powder ground smooth in seconds. Even with a 550 watt motor, the Zenova stands up to this tough task just like a 1000 watt mixer grinder. No strain, no vibration, consistent grind. Now that we have seen it handle a tough task, let's look at everyday things we do in the kitchen. Daily grinding, daily chutney, perfect with Zenova's unique coarse mode. This isn't your regular smooth grind, it gives a silbatta-like texture. Coconut chutney, peanut chutney, coriander mint chutney or dry masalas, everything gets crushed but not turned into paste. That authentic grainy texture is exactly what you get from a traditional stone grinder, but in a mixer grinder. This coarse mode is now our go-to for all chutneys and pudis. After a year of daily use, it's honestly one of the most useful features in this mixer grinder. Idli dosa batter in a 1.5 liter liquidizing jar, it's ready in just a few minutes. Milkshakes, again 45 seconds. These daily tasks that 90% of the people do, Zenova handles them very well, zero complaints. Chopper jar, I didn't expect to use the 500 milliliter 0.5 liter chopper jar this much, but it quickly became a daily time saver. So one big difference with the mixer grinder is its speed range. Zenova runs from 2000 to 18,000 RPM, while most other mixer grinders start around 10,000 RPM and go up to 18,000. This low starting speed is why the chopper jar actually chops ingredients instead of turning it into paste. So that's the key difference. Onions, a clean chop always. Tomatoes, rough pieces, it's not mushed. Ginger garlic, perfect for a tadka base. My cooking prep time went from 40 minutes to about 10 minutes. For bhurji or palav, the onion pieces release just enough water for proper cooking, no mushy texture. The new model also comes with 2 blades for better chopping, and the blades detach, so cleaning is simple. So one thing I'll say is this: the mixer doesn't look like a typical mixer grinder. The red wine finish, the compact size, it fits under kitchen cabinets easily. It looks like a proper modern gadget on your counter, not something you want to hide. The LED ring also is useful. It glows blue while you select the speed and turns red if there's a fault. You always know exactly what's happening with your mixer grinder. Safety features. So Zenova comes with smart safety features. The motor won't start unless the jar is properly locked. The anti-gravity lid locks keep the lid secure, and the overload protection, if motor faces excessive load, it stops automatically and plays a beep. And the LED turns red to signal fault instantly. And here's one that matters for Indian conditions. No auto restart after a power cut. With my previous mixer, I had a bad experience once. Power went out while making batter, and when it came back, the mixer started suddenly. Batter went everywhere. With the Zenova, when power comes back, the motor stays off. You have to manually restart it. That's a proper safety feature. Ventless design and cleaning. So the body is ventless, no openings, no gaps. Unlike a regular mixer grinder where vents can trap dust, oil, masala and even allow pests inside, this design completely prevents anything from getting in. No dust, no oil, no pests. After 1 year of daily use, it still almost looks new. Quick note, Atomberg is one of the top BLDC fan companies in India, so their service network is strong. You get 2-year warranty, and if you register on their website, you get 1 year extra. So 3 years total. Most other mixer grinders only give a 2-year warranty. Everything sounds great so far, right? Now let me tell you honestly where it gave me trouble. Sticky ingredients. We tried making dry fruit laddus, dates, almonds, cashews, put them all in, and the dates got stuck in blades. Sticky pieces got jammed between them. The motor's running, but the ingredients aren't moving. I had to reach in, pull them out, put them back for simple laddu mixture. That was frustrating. So sticky ingredients, that's something to keep in mind. This happens in every mixer grinder, but using a juicer jar or a smaller chutney jar can help handle sticky ingredients more effectively. Jar sizes for bigger families. You get 4 jars, a 500 milliliter chutney jar, a 1 liter grinding jar, a 1.5 liter liquidizing jar, and a 500 milliliter chopper. Now for a family of 2 to 4, this is perfect. But if you have a bigger family or guests over, the 1.5 liquidizing jar can feel small. Batter doesn't finish in one batch. So what's the overall verdict? So let me be direct. After 1 year of daily use, who should buy this? If your daily use includes chutney, masalas, milkshakes, batter, chopping, the Zenova is an excellent choice. The liquidizer handles smoothies fine as well. And if juicing is part of your routine, they have launched Atomberg Zenova Fresh, which comes with a juicing and blending jar designed to give you no seed crushed juicing. Dil ki baat hi sun li. And the best part, if you're an existing Zenova user just like me, you can purchase the jars separately as add-ons and use them with your Zenova. It is perfectly compatible. All of this is backed by the BLDC motor, which gives you more versatility, faster kitchen food prep, less vibration and low electricity usage. The chopper jars save genuine time in daily cooking. Safety features are solid. Cleaning is effortless with the ventless design, and the 3-year warranty gives you peace of mind. For most Indian kitchens, the Atomberg Zenova handles everything you need. Family of 2 to 4, perfect fit. So that was my honest review after 1 year. The 550 watt versus 1000 watt truth. What works, what can improve, straight up. The Zenova is an intelligent mixer grinder that adapts to your daily cooking needs. What mixer do you use at home? Tell me in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. We keep bringing you honest reviews like this. See you in the next one.